Good morning everyone. Today we are excited to present our project Rice Shield with powerful tagline Seeing Disease Before It Strikes. It's a tech-driven solution designed to protect rice crops from bacterial infection before they cause damage, empowering farmers through education, real-time monitoring and AI. Here's the reality. Farmers often detect diseases too late when visible damage is already done. There's limited access to modern tools in rural areas. No predictive system exists to warn them of outbreaks, and with climate unpredictability, soil and crop health are at a greater risk than ever.
Our solution is built around four core goals: educate farmer with interactive tools such as mobile and web app, offer real-time crop and environment monitoring, use AI to predict bacterial disease before the symptom appears, provide actionable advice for prevention and treatment, and all of these on one unified platform. Education and awareness. Know before you grow, we bring impressive learning through a VR video experience of rice field, animated video explaining paddy growth, disease symptoms, and financial impact, a downloadable ebook covering disease visuals and organic remedies. This builds farmer confidence and awareness right from the start.
Real-time monitoring, field in your pocket. We use IoT sensors connected to a microcontroller ESP2866 to track temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and pH. Data is uploaded to ThinkSpeak Cloud. Farmers can view insight in dashboard via website or app. They receive alerts, see historical trends, and plan actions accordingly. AI crop health prediction, seeing disease before it strikes. Using Google Teachable Machine, we train an AI model to classify rice image between healthy and diseased. Live sensor data is matched with image analysis. If disease is detected, a red light LED lights up. Farmers get an app alert with tailored suggestions.
Based on AI plus sensor data, the app advises when the water, organic or chemical treatment options, weather alerts, and nearest agricultural support center. These turn insight into real-world action. Our architecture connects sensor ESP8266, cloud, app, camera upload, AI model classification plus alert. We are using hardware DHT11, pH and moisture sensor, LED, software HTML, CSS, JS, Android, Java, and Flutter. ThinkSpeak, Teachable Machines, VR, Unity, or Web VR for immersive training.
Target audience and sustainability. We are focusing on small and marginal farmers, agriculture students and NGOs, rural extension officers and startups, aligned with Sustainable Development Goal SDG 2 Zero Hunger, SDG 9 Innovation, SDG 13 Climate Action, and SDG 17 Partnership. Our expected outcomes and business model: we expect 30% reduction in crop loss due to earlier detection, increased farmer confidence using technology, adoption of sustainable organic practices. Business model: premium app for farmers, premium features for agri startups and research organizations, partnerships with agri-tech companies, NGOs, and government schemes.